which is based on hidden goodwill. Abhay and Beena are partners in a firm. Abhay and Beena are partners in a firm. They admit Chetan as a new partner with 1/4 share in the profit of the firm. Chetan brings 2 lakhs as his share of capital. The value of total assets of the firm 5,40,000 and outside liabilities are valued 1 lakh on that date. Give journal entry to record the goodwill at the time of Chetan admission. So question is Abhay and Beena, they are the partner. The profit sharing ratio is not given in the question. Profit sharing ratio is not given in the question. It means it is 1:1. They have admitted the Chetan as a new partner. They have admitted the Chetan as a new partner for 1/4 share of profit. 1/4 share of profit. Chetan brings capital of rupees 2 lakhs. Brings capital for his share of profit is 2 lakhs. The total assets of the old firm has given 5,40,000 and external liability has given 1 lakh. This total assets and external liability has given, okay, total assets and external liability of old firm is this much at the time of admission of Chetan for 1/4 share of profit, and for 1/4 of share of profit Chetan brings rupees 2 lakh as capital. Now find out the hidden goodwill. No information related to goodwill has given and no information regarding the profit sharing ratio. If the deed is silent, we know that the profit will be divided equally if the deed is silent. So 1:1. Now, first of all, we will find out the Chetan's share of, on the basis of Chetan's share of profit and the capital contributed by him, what should be the total capital of the firm? What should be? Total capital should be, capital should be on the basis of Chetan share of profit and capital contributed by him, two lakhs. Capital is contributed 2 lakhs for 1/4 share of profit. So total capital should be 4/1. It is 8 lakhs. Total capital should be 8 lakhs. But the actual capital is actual capital of the firm, actual capital after admission is total assets is this much of the firm and total external liability. So assets minus external liability, we know the accounting equation, capital plus liability is equal to assets, and in this here the total assets has given and liability has given. external liability. So the capital is equal to assets minus liability. So capital of both the partners is capital of both the partner assets is 5,40,000 and liability is 1 lakh external liability. So it is 4,40,000. 4,40,000 is the total is the capital of old partner, capital of Abhay and Beena is 4,40,000 plus capital of new partner Chetan is 2 lakhs. It is 6,40,000. 6,40,000. Now we'll do the comparison of this amount and this amount. Actual capital is less than this, less than the capital should be, and this difference indicates the goodwill. Goodwill of the firm is the capital should be minus capital minus actual capital of the new firm. So capital should be is 8 lakhs and the actual capital is 6,40,000. So difference is 1,60,000 is the goodwill. 1,60,000 is the goodwill. Is it clear? 1,60,000 is the goodwill. So this minus this is your capital. Is it clear? Now come to the journal entry. So the goodwill is 1,60,000. So Chetan's share of goodwill is equal to 1,60,000 into Chetan's share in the firm is 1/4. It is 40,000. 40,000. So first entry is for capital, cash account debit or bank account debit to Chetan capital 2 lakhs. As the new partner has not contributed his share of goodwill, means unable to pay his share of goodwill, then what we do, Chetan's capital account will be debited to Abhay's capital to Beena's capital. So his share of goodwill is 40, so 40,000 will be debited and this amount will be transferred in between the old partner in their sacrificing ratio. As the future ratio is not changed, so old ratio and sacrificing ratio is same, 1:1. So 20 and 20 respectively. So this is the entry related to the goodwill. Here we assume that the new partner has not contributed his share of goodwill, means unable to pay his share of goodwill. So new partner's capital will be debited and this amount, his share of goodwill, will be transferred to old partner in their sacrificing ratio. Is it clear?